Welcome back, everyone. Okay, let's have a little bit more fun with the console here. Now, again, everything that we're doing in the console here is already set up in the back end of JavaScript, meaning that, if we were to really make a program from scratch, we'd have to find a way to add 1 plus 1 together, and we'd have to find a way to actually do that. But in this case, a lot of that effort and a lot of that code is already set in for us. So one thing that we can do is let's just type in something cool like your name. Okay, so I'm going to type in my name. I want you to type in your name too. Then what I want you to do is I want you to type in dot and then char, or char, short for character, capital AT at, and I want you to type in 1 semicolon. Okay? And you see that it's a 0, and I want you to do that exact same thing. So type in your name, with the quotes of course, dot, character at, and then I want you to do. Now, hopefully you have you could have a name with only 2 letters. So I'm just going to put 2. Okay? And it's H. And let's just take a look at this for a second. Okay, character at 1 and it's O. Well, really, the character at should be 0, or should be J, shouldn't it, right? Because the first letter of the word John is J. So why is it O? And the reason is that basically a lot of times when you're going into something called an index, and that's what this is, you actually start off with 0 instead of 1. So if I type that in again, John, okay, dot, character at, and then I want to type in 1, or sorry, 0 this time. And guess what? It's a J. And you'll notice how it's also capitalized too. Well, that's actually pretty good. And remember that in some indexes, and this happens to a lot of people, that the indexes start at 0 and not 1. I'll see you guys in the next